R is equal to I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. From the origin of an inertial frame of reference, find the torque acting on the body.
What is formula for torque? What is torque formula? It is T bar equal to R bar cross F bar. We have done this sum.
Yes.
Torque formula R bar cross F bar I had told you. Yes or no? I told.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now from this, if you have idea, then you can get without any mistake. If you didn't have idea, then you might have done wrong. Force F bar is acting at the point from the origin distance is that much. So F bar is equals to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap is a distance of R bar, which is I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. Inertial frame मतलब वो एक्सिस इज नॉट चेंजिंग, मतलब बॉडी फिक्स है. तो टॉर्क का फॉर्मूला आर बार क्रॉस एफ बार. किसको किसको अभी दिखा, अभी याद आया ऐसा फॉर्मूला है? और यू आर नोइंग, श्रुति, यू आर नोइंग दिस फॉर्मूला?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So now torque formula, if you remember, R bar cross F bar, then determinant method. I cap, J cap, K cap. 2, 3, oh sorry, first R लिखना कभी भी, ये भूल गए तो उल्टा हो जाएगा आंसर. 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 1. Now for I, forget I wala column. 3 into 1, 3. 3 5 is 15. For J, forget J. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 2 into 5, 10. Then for K, 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 6. So minus 12I cap. 9 minus plus 9 J cap. Plus, sorry, again minus 3 K cap. 1 into 1 is 1. क्या कर दिया मैंने? J के लिए 1 into 1. For I, 3 into 1, correct. So minus, if you want, you can take 3 common. So minus 4I cap plus 3 3s are 9J cap minus K cap. This much Newton meter. Yeah, answer है. Newton meter is the unit. Now followed?
Yes, sir.
Do it now. If you are done, please tell me. Huh?
Done, sir.
हेलो, सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या लिखा है? सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या लिखा है? जल्दी बोलो फटाफट, लेक्चर चालू है मेरा। है क्या उसमें एन स्क्वायर? आंख बंद करके काम कर रहा है, पी क्या है क्या आज? एन स्क्वायर है क्या उसमें? तो फिर आपने क्यों डाला? करेक्शन मैंने एन स्क्वायर बोला है, एन स्क्वायर बोला है मैंने। दिमाग मत खराब करो नहीं तो मेरा उल्टा सुल्टा। अबे गधे, 1 न्यूटन बोला था, जिधर नहीं लिखा था 1 न्यूटन एंड 3 न्यूटन, इसका बात ही नहीं हुआ था। उसको पहले कट करो, एंड एन स्क्वायर, एंड डायरेक्शन लिखो, डायरेक्शन स्पेलिंग मालूम है क्या? डायरेक्शन का हर चीज आपको लिख के भेजो, दिमाग में घुसता नहीं क्या? बोलते हैं तभी तुरंत, जब बोला तभी लिख के रखने का ना। सेम चीज कट पेस्ट करने को भी नहीं जमता है। एंड डायरेक्शन लिखो, स्पेलिंग मालूम है क्या? हेलो,
Done, sir.
yes, so now any doubt in the paper part? Any doubt in paper?
Sir,
No,
the
sir.
12th I got some sums wrong only.
No, if you have not practiced you will get wrong, huh? If you practice you
No,
will get
sir,
always
I
right.
had practiced, but I had even tried. I got all the formulas right, but the final answer I got wrong.
So that should be correct, huh? You have to improve yourself, nothing else. So if you are not knowing, I can help, no? But if you make mistake at the last step, then you have to help yourself, no?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So what we can do, if last time if you made wrong, what teacher will do? It is up to you, that you have to be alert, correct, no? Now chalo,
Yes, sir.
paper में कुछ doubt अभी?
Sir, you didn't check my last 2 questions.
Now next time onwards ना गौरवी, क्या करना आप? सबका पीडीएफ निकाल सकते हो क्या स्कैन करके?
Yeah, yes, sir.
बिकॉज ऐसे छोटे छोटे पेपर रहते हैं ना, तो बहुत बार वो डाउनलोड नहीं हो पाता है, इसलिए ऐसा हो गया। आई विल डू इट, करेक्ट एंड गिव यू, बिकॉज आई वाज शॉक्ड व्हेन आई सॉ योर मार्क, सो आई थॉट देयर इज सम फिशी। चलो,
Yes.
नाउ पेपर, एनी प्रॉब्लम इन पेपर? नो ना?
No, sir.
चलो, कम टू see what I have found, that you people have to work hard, nothing else, because you don't retain that faster. तो कुछ नहीं, अपने को थोड़ा और मेहनत करना है, और क्या उसमें। Open PDF, we were doing MCQ. I think we have completed till 25 or 27.
Twenty-three.
28, 23, sorry.
23 only we have done. We did. Okay. How many of you practiced those sums? Once again, have you practiced?
Writing it 2 times now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Whatever we do in class, please practice 2 times to make perfect. So till 23 you are saying we have done. Now 24th MCQ. The angle made by vector with z axis. Now we want angle made by vector 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 5k cap with z-axis. I'm showing you two steps. First method, method 1. Let z-axis be k cap. So therefore अपना वेक्टर को नाम मैं ए दे देता हूं, a bar dot k cap is a k cos theta. So cos theta is a bar dot k bar upon a k. That is 4i minus 3j plus 5k dot with k cap upon magnitude 4 square plus minus 3 square plus 5 square root of 1. So it is 4 into 0 plus minus 3 into 0 plus 5 into 1 upon root of 4 square 16 plus 9 plus 25. So it becomes 5 upon root 25. एक second. Okay, just copy till this. When given x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, you can take that as I cap. For y, j cap. For z, I have taken k cap.
Sir,
Huh?
it is coming 5 upon root 25 plus 25.
That means root 50.
Okay.
I will solve. First to complete till this.
Done, sir.
Okay. You are saying you got root 50, correct?
Yes.
Root 50, can I think as 2 into 25? So I can bring root 25 as 5 outside now. So 1 upon root 2, correct? So cos
Yeah.
of which angle is 1 by root 2? 45 degree.
45.
This is the answer. 45 degree.
Done.
Okay. Now see, or I told you second method. Let alpha, beta, gamma be angles made by vector a bar with x, y, z axis respectively. Plural of axis is ax, ex. So cos alpha is ax upon a. Like if this is vector a, this is ax, this is alpha. So cos theta will be adjacent side ax upon a. And cos beta will be ay upon a. Cos gamma will be az upon a. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are also called as cosine ratios. Please complete till this, then second method I am showing. Complete.
Done.
Okay. Now in our case, that vector making angle with z axis they have asked.
Sir, can you go back to that slide? Last part. Hello.
Gone. See. Now you can see na. Yeah, पीछे तो
Yes, yes, sir.
rub करो.
Yes, sir.
Cos gamma. Same sum second method is az upon a. What is that vector? What is that vector? Tell me. Whose angle we have to find?
4 I cap minus 3 J cap
Minus 3j cap.
plus 5 K cap.
हाँ. तो ये a का मैग्नीट्यूड 4 स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 स्क्वायर az is z component 5. So 5 upon root 25, which is root 50, that will become 5 root 2. That is nothing but 1 upon root 2. So angle will be 45 degree. This is second method. Followed second method also?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, do. So whichever method clicks in the exam, you can go by that method. Done?
Yes.
Come to the next one. Some number 25. Angle, the magnitude of vector product of two vector. Magnitude means this, na? This line is called magnitude. Hello?
Yes.
किसका मैग्नीट्यूड? वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर, मतलब ए बार क्रॉस बी बार, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड इज √3 टाइम्स their scalar product, means a bar dot b bar. This line followed.
Yes, sir, understood.
What is a bar dot b bar का मैग्नीट्यूड? a bar cross b bar का मैग्नीट्यूड, is it ab sin theta?
Yes.
And this is ab cos theta. Both side ab cancel, so sin theta upon cos theta is √3. Tan theta is √3. So 30 equal to 60 degree. This is the answer.
Sir, understood.
60 degree they have given as radian. It is pi by 3 radian. You know, na, pi by 3 how it comes. 60 degree is 60 into pi upon 180 to convert into radian. So pi by 3 radian.
Done, sir.
Okay. 26. In a clockwise system, that means this type of system where we draw clock and we write I cap, J cap in anti-clockwise in this system. J bar cross K bar is I bar. Is it correct? J cap dot K cap is I cap. Is it correct?
Yes.
Correct. Yes. I dot I should be 1, na? Should be 1, no?
Yes.
But they have given 0, so it is incorrect. Third one. J cross J is 1 given, but it should be 0, no? Correct? K dot I. What is K dot I? 0. But they have given 1. So this is also incorrect. So answer correct is A. Done?
Yes, sir.
27. For any two vectors A bar cross B bar, for any two vectors, if ए बार डॉट बी बार का मैग्नीट्यूड, एक्चुअली वो खुद मैग्नीट्यूड है, फिर से लग गया मैग्नीट्यूड, इस मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ क्रॉस, द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ C bar equals to A bar plus B bar is 4 नहीं, is question mark है. Magnitude of A bar plus B bar will be how much if dot का magnitude is same as cross का magnitude. Question समझा? Hello, question
Yes.
समझा? By using, hello,
Yes, sir.
by using this first concept, can you get theta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A bar dot B bar is A bar cross B bar's magnitude. So A B cos is equal to AB sine. So 1 equal to sine upon cos. So tan theta is 1. What will be theta? 45 degree.
Yes.
And magnitude of sum ka formula, root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. That means root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos of 45. So A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So this will be root 2 cancel, A square plus B square plus root 2 AB in root. Any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Yes, do it.
Done, sir.
Acha.
Sir, 1 minute.
Done? 27?
Yes, sir.
28. Think on that for 2 minutes. Just think on it. Classwork MCQ. उसका सम नंबर 27. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हेलो. हाँ आया क्या 27? अरे हो जाएगा तो फोन कर रहा. Any idea? Got any idea? I said think on 28. Any idea? Yes. Any idea you have got? Yeah, Rishita, any idea? 3 vectors satisfies the relation a bar dot b bar equal to 0. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? What is meaning of a bar dot b bar 0? Anybody knows this meaning of a bar dot b bar 0?
So it's nothing but AB.
अच्छा, कहां से पढ़ते हैं आप ये कृषा? नथिंग बट ए बी. कौन बताया आपको ये? कृषा कहां से पढ़ा ये नथिंग बट ए बी ऐसा?
So if we go by that rule, then it is like that only, no?
कौन सा रूल? जरा बताओ मुझे कौन सा रूल? नथिंग बट ए बी इज ए डॉट बी इज ए बी. कौन सा रूल है ऐसा?
So dot product का fourth rule.
क्या रूल है? रीड करो जरा. रीड करो रूल.
If A is parallel to B, then A dot B is equals to AB cos 0. Then AB is into 1 and is equals to AB.
But I think you are not seeing carefully things. इधर लिखा है dot is 0. You are telling AB is nothing but AB. Here clear cut it is given dot product 0, no? क्या हो गया अभी? हाँ 27 में क्या है? आगे रीड किया क्या पूरा? रीड करो. लेक्चर में वेस्ट मत करो मेरा टाइम. लाइव लेक्चर कर लो. हाँ 27 क्लास वर्क एमसीक्यू. पागल जैसा बात मत करो. अभी लेक्चर के बाद मुझे डिस्टर्ब करो. हेलो हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of dot 0? Meaning of dot product 0 is what?
Fifth rule.
See
The two
fifth.
vectors are perpendicular.
हाँ कितना क्लियर वर्ड लिखा है. डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 2 आर परपेंडिकुलर. आप उसका ऊपर देख रहे हो. इफ पैरेलल देन ए बी. ये तो लिखा है ना क्लियर कट 0. ये भी किधर लिखा है? तो क्या आएगा? ये दोनों आपस में क्या है?
Perpendicular.
परपेंडिकुलर. कृषा से डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 means they are what?
Perpendicular.
Perpendicular. So why you are going to wrong things? So if this is a bar, this should be b bar. meaning perpendicular. This much followed first diagram. First diagram
Yes.
followed. Acha.
Yes, sir.
For second one, what you can say me, A bar is perpendicular to C bar or not? हाँ, अभी रीड करो what they want. Then A bar is क्या लिखा है? A bar is ना? हेलो? Then vector A bar is ना, ऐसा लिखा है ना? Is parallel to whom? Correct? Please interact. How do I know whether you are understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
अभी A bar is किसको parallel? ऐसा आएगा उसको parallel होएगा ना? ये A bar and this is parallel. अब ये कौन सा वेक्टर है? This is vector which is perpendicular to B and C ना? A dot B0 मतलब AB perpendicular डायग्राम बनाया मैंने. A dot C0 means AC perpendicular बनाया. लेकिन वो लोग बोल रहे A बार किसको पैरेलल है? तो A बार ऐसा जो रहेगा उसको पैरेलल है ना, ऐसे वाले को. अभी ऐसा वाला इसको परपेंडिकुलर है ना.
Yeah.
So this is B bar cross C bar ना. B bar cross C bar. I am writing this as unknown, ऐसा नाम लिखा unknown. So A bar is parallel to unknown मेरे डायग्राम के हिसाब से. Now what is unknown? Unknown is perpendicular to both B bar and C bar. ऐसा कौन सा वेक्टर है जो दो वेक्टर को परपेंडिकुलर रहता है? लिखा है ना हम लोग ने, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर इज परपेंडिकुलर टू बोथ द वेक्टर, है ना?
Yes.
Therefore it is B bar cross C bar. So A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar. बहुत डिफिकल्ट समय है. Not in calculation, in understanding. इसमें तो कैलकुलेशन कुछ है नहीं, डायग्राम है. Now everybody has followed.
Yes, sir. Understood.
पक्का बोलो.
Yes,
देखो
sir.
टाइम
Yes,
बहुत है
sir.
अपने पास, लेकिन आप समझ के पूरा करो. फास्ट करके कुछ मीनिंग नहीं है. यस कृषा, श्रुति.
Yes, sir.
ओके, डू. एंड डोंट अननेसेसरी कंफ्यूज योरसेल्फ. डाउट लगता है क्लियर करो अब मुझसे बोल बोल के. चलो डन.
Yes, sir.
Till 30 we are doing today, and you all please practice all two times. ये चैप्टर अगर आपका क्लियर हो गया ना, तो अगला 5 चैप्टर इजी लगेगा. डॉट और स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ A bar dot B bar they want 2i cap minus 3j plus 3k dot with 2j plus 2k. That is 2 into 0 plus minus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2. 0 minus 6 plus 6, so equal to 0. Dot product is 0. A option.
Done.
30th. F bar equals to 2I cap plus 2K cap dyne displaces a particle by amount S bar, which is 2I plus 2J in centimeter in time 16 second. Then what is power? Now I have to go back to my 10th standard. I know power is work upon time. That means power is F bar dot S bar upon time. Now I got idea. It is 2I cap plus 2K cap dot with 2I plus 2J divided by time 16. So it is 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2. J nahi hai isliye 0 plus 2 into 0 upon 16. 4 upon 16. 1 by 4. 0.25. 0.25. Option D. Everybody has followed this also?
Yes.
sir, and this-
Yes, sir. आराम से करो, समझ के करो, टाइम लो, चलेगा, घाई मत करो. और कुछ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी लग रहा है तो यू क्लियर इट.
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. Please practice everything properly. Try to get this time maximum close to full mark. Any doubt, you can call me anytime. Only if I am not free, I will respond again afterwards. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
See,
sir.
sometimes
Okay.
it
Thank
can
you,
happen.
sir.
Immediately you call, I may not respond because of lecture. I will lift the call and then I will request you कि मैं जब free होगा तभी call करूँगा. This is what I can do for you all, but you have to work for me at least 2 years. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
take care. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi,
Bye.
sir. Thank you.
Hi,
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you all. Thank